How's it going, everyone? I just got my truck washed. I'm here in Jackson, Georgia. Going back into Baltimore to go pick up one for a Lowe's store on Tuesday morning. I'm going to show a video of my truck and my trailer. I just got it washed over here, so I'll be right back.
Alright, Charles, it's the barbecue.
That rear fender's messed up. Yeah, I know. That looks so good you can almost see yourself in it. Oh, you can. That's the whole trip around the whole entire truck there. They did a darn good job of washing it. But, got my seatbelt caught in my door there. But, alright. I'll catch y'all later. Hope you enjoyed it, too.